Hey guys, so in this video we'll go over our image slideshow options within the Melbourne theme. So let's just jump over to the back end of our website, and in order to create a new slideshow you'll need to go over here to the slideshow settings, click on add new, and type in our slideshow title. And here we have several options and settings to play around with. So here are some basic visual guidelines as to how you can set your image slideshow. You can have full screen images, you can have more than one image visible at a time with images on the left and right hand side partially visible. Next off, you can have your slideshow effect selected over here, and then of course full size images, full page width images, images with a padding, which is currently this view type over here. It simply adds in the padding around our image, and then content with images, which pretty much means the image slideshow will be limited to the width of your website content, and that is essentially set over here within the Flotheme settings. Alright, next off we have options to show or hide our image bullets. Next off we can set our slideshow height, and this over here varies depending on the layout that we select. For example, if we go full size images, you'll see that this does not show up over here. We rather have another option of setting our menu at the bottom of our slideshow. If we select page width, we have the following option over here as well. And then of course we have the option to select the content of our slideshow, and the content is basically referring to the text that we have, whether it is your blog post title, whether it's the image title, whatever it may be. You can either have it at the bottom, or you can have it within the center of your image. And then over here we finally have our slideshow autoplay options, which you can either enable or disable that, and then of course add in the autoplay speed. And over here it is listed in milliseconds, which means that 2000 is equivalent to 2 seconds. If you want to have your image rotating at 3 seconds per image, you'll need to add in 3000 over here. So these are some of the basic options you have to play around with. And at this point, let's just go ahead and add in a few slideshow images. So we'll click here where it says add slideshow images, and technically you can either drag and drop images from your upload folder into the following area, or you can already select images that have been previously uploaded to your image gallery. So at this point I'll just select several images that we've already uploaded previously, and I'll click on add to gallery. It'll be added here, and you can drag them around to set their order. And you also have the option of editing the image content within the slideshow. So if you click on edit image over here, there are several options. You can have a blog post slide, which means that you simply start typing in your blog post title, and you will be able to select the blog post that you want to connect with the following image. So let's go ahead and simply select new post. We then have the option of selecting our text color. Let's select this as white, and then if there is an image description color, we can also select that as white as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and simply close this off. There are no save buttons. You simply either press escape or this X button over here, and your settings will be saved. At this point, let's just go ahead and click on update. We'll then go over to our test page over here. We'll just refresh this to make sure that we can select our our test slider. Okay, and we'll go ahead and click on update, and then we'll go over here to refresh our home page and see what we come up with. Okay, so here we have our new post, and this redirects us to a blog post that we've selected over here. And then we have our bullet points and so forth. So these are some of the options, and let's just go ahead and jump in real quick to edit a clean slide. And over here we can add in our image title. So we'll just go ahead, copy paste that here. We'll then copy and paste our image description. If needed, you can add a link to your image title. Also, if necessary, you can add in a video. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll copy our Vimeo link, paste this here, And then also we have the option of once again selecting the colors for our image title and the image description. Once again, once we've done all of the customizations, simply click on exit over here, click on update, and we'll go back to our main page, refresh our home page. And here we have the image title, image description, and then of course the video button over here as well. Alright, so essentially these are all of the options that we have within the image slideshow. I do hope this video helps, just giving you a general idea of how to manage the slideshows, but for further information and additional details, we also recommend that you look into our documentation, and that link is in the video description below. Once again, thank you for your time.